How to use CapCut QR codes to log in. Let's get started. So I'm gonna log in to my CapCut account in the PC using the QR code. Navigate to the website of CapCut. Then you're gonna get different options to log in. In order to use QR code to log in, you'll need to select the option Continue with CapCut Mobile. Now you'll get this kind of pop-up Sign in with QR code. Now what you have to do is head over to your mobile device where you have already logged into your CapCut account. Then you'll need to scan this QR code. So, launch your CapCut in your mobile device, head over to the Me page. Then you'll get this option scan, click on it. Now go ahead and scan the QR code in the PC, confirm it. With that, you'll be logged into CapCut in the PC. So this is how you can easily use QR codes to log into CapCut account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.